Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. I'm Savitri from All Things Beautiful and I'm here with yet another festive project for you all from Craftangles. So here we have this beautiful decoupage paper from Craftangles. It's called the Floral Elegance. They have beautiful designs of decoupage papers. You can check their website. So these are the papers in this pack. You get 4 sheets, 4 A4 sheets, and these are very economical. So I'm going to be using this sheet today. So what we are going to make today is very useful for this festive season. So we all want to decorate our homes during the festive season with designer wear decor pieces, designer wear platter. We want to serve our sweets in a nice platter, beautiful looking ones, or even decorate the house around with these platters, but obviously they are very expensive to buy and not everybody can afford. So today I will show you how to create a beautiful platter or a plate or anything that you can use this for, using a simple technique and very minimal stuff from Craftangles. I'm using this glass plate here. Like I told you, I'm going to use this Floral Elegance decoupage paper, and I'm going to be using some paints which kind of match my paper. We have here pale daffodil, cool jade, and bubblegum pink. These are beautiful light matte colors of chalk paint which go well with many projects. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut out along the design. So I will cut both these elements out for my work. So I've cut out the 2 elements and we will be doing a reverse decoupage. So I'm going to just place these like this and decoupage them. So here's my Craftangles decoupage glue. Since I'm going to be doing reverse, I will apply the decoupage glue on the paper. So that's how I have pasted my elements here. So now comes the fun part. So what I'm going to be doing now is, so I have this pen art crocodile varnish. It's called a crocodile varnish or a crackle varnish. So there are 2 components in this, component 1 and component 2, and I'm going to be doing some crackle effect on the whole of the plates. So first what I do is I take my component 1 and I am going to be applying it all over my plate, places around my paper. This is the same as any other brand 2-step crackle medium, wherein you have a base coat and a top coat. Once the base coat dries, you will be applying the top coat. So it's same as that. I'm giving a nice thick coat. So this needs to dry. I'll use my dryer and dry it quickly. It's dry now completely. before we apply our next layer, I will just remove these excess papers. I'm just sanding and removing the excess. Yeah, so now I will take my component 2, which is the top coat. In the other brands they might mention it as base coat and top coat. So how these two-step crackle creams work is that once you put the base coat and then the top coat basically reacts with your base coat and gives the crackles. So I am giving a nice generous amount of top coat. I want nice cracks. Once you brush once, do not go over the same area again. Yeah, now I'll dry this also. So this is completely dry now. I'm not sure if you can see any cracks, but now the magic will happen. So I'm going to be using this art wax from Craftangles. It's an antique wax. So I am going to be rubbing this on my plate to reveal the cracks. I love doing this. It's a beautiful technique where what will happen is the cracks will take on your wax color or antique color, and it will show through the color will show through the cracks so beautifully. So can you see now? I will turn it around and show you. So some parts have cracked nice and big, some of them have cracked small. I'm happy with that effect. Can you see this? Isn't that beautiful? It's really nice. So we will go ahead and do this all over the plate. What I'll be doing is I will also use a little bit of gold, rub in a little bit of gold powder that I have to show through the cracks as well here and there. So we have like a nice double gold effect and also this antique wax effect. So I have rubbed all over the I've rubbed all over the plate with some gold and our antique wax. Now just to take out the excess, I have a baby wipe here, so I'm just going to wipe out the excess. So all our paints have gone inside the cracks, so we can just wipe the excess out. Isn't that beautiful? It's really nice, some big crocodile cracks here and there and then small ones, so it looks really nice. Now the next fun part is that we are going to paint this, give it a nice background. So I'm just going to blend all these colors. So as I go, I'm just going to add colors so I get a nice blended look of all colors together. I love the way the cracks and the antique paste shows through. This wax antique is such a great product to have for any decoupage or mixed media artist. You can use it in many different ways. I have also used it in my last festive project that I made. You can check that out in the HNDMD blog or the YouTube channel. So I just gave a coat of blue. Isn't that looking pretty? It is so pretty. So to finally finish the project, we'll just seal it with our Craftangles varnish. So once this dries, we will give it the finishing touch to make it look festive. So That's our beautiful plate. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm just taking a baby wipe and just cleaning all the edges in case there's some paint from our finger. So that's our beautiful plate. Now to make it look more festive, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing gold leaf on the edges or the rim. So I have this leafing glue. So I am going to take a small brush. I'll take a round sponge brush and I'm just going to add the glue like this at the edges. So once the glue dries, I will put the leaf, the gold leaf. So the gold leaf will only get stuck wherever there's glue. I love working with gold leaf because any project, even if it's a very simple project, the moment you put the gold leaf, it just lifts up, it just adds so much beauty to your project. So it's an immediate enhancer. Gold leafing is optional here. You can use your acrylic gold paint or metallic paints as well. So this can be, there are alternatives to do this. If you don't have gold leaf or the leafing size glues, it's absolutely fine. You can use your normal acrylic paints or metallic chalk paints or anything. This is just, like I said, it's just to make it look a little more gorgeous, festive and grand. Just to give it that grandness, we're doing this. So that will do. Now what I'll do is this has to, so the leafing glue has to dry and only then you can do the gold leaf. Once you stick it, you can just brush it out. So it'll just stick wherever there is glue, nothing else. So that's a completed project. Isn't that beautiful? It's absolutely gorgeous. It looks really nice. You can decorate it with any, maybe a candlelight, a tea holder, or you can even serve some sweets or dessert for people on this, because all our work is on the underside and not on top. So you can happily put any food item here and give, or you could just place some flowers or anything. So this is a beautiful festive piece. It could be a table centerpiece, it could be used for decor, it could be used to serve, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And the added the bonus or the plus point of this is that it is handcrafted, it is handmade. So yes, it's beautiful. Do try it out this season. Take any of your glass plate. You can do the same technique with your bowls and other glass items as well, or a vase or anything. So do try it out and impress your guests and beautify your space. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the tutorial. Happy crafting, and do share your projects with me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.